Hey there, trading enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into something you might need to handle in 2025. How to delete your MT5 account in Exness. If you're trading Forex or other markets, you know MT5 is a powerhouse platform, and Exness is one of the top brokers out there. But sometimes, you need to clean house and remove an account that's no longer serving you. Don't worry. It's easier and faster than you think. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Exness account. Open up the Exness web platform or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the My Accounts section. This is usually found in the dashboard or profile menu. Look for an icon that looks like a person or a gear. Next, locate your MT5 account in the list. Exness links multiple platforms, so you might see several options. Click on the MT5 account you want to delete. Now, scroll down or navigate to the Account Management area. Here, you should find a Delete Account or Close Account button. It's often labeled clearly to avoid any accidents. Before you proceed, a word of caution. Double-check that you really want to delete this account. Once it's gone, your trading history and any linked funds might be affected, so back up any important data first. If you're ready, click the Delete button and follow the on-screen prompts. You'll likely need to confirm your identity with a password or two-factor authentication for security reasons. And just like that, you're done. Your MT5 account in Exness should be deleted in no time. This process is designed to be straightforward, taking just a couple of minutes in 2025's updated interface. If you run into any issues, Exness has great customer support. Reach out to them directly. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Remember, staying on top of your accounts keeps your trading game strong. See you in the next video.